on, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. It's Dev. We're here. Chainsaw Man Season 1, Episode 4, Last On. I know it's been a little while, but we're back into the grind. Ladies and gentlemen, full steam ahead. Last On, though, what's his name? Our main character, kind of forgot. Reasonable why. But he fought that bat thing. That bat devil or whatever it was. And that fight was pretty sick. So I'm excited to see what the fuck happens. His quest for some boobies and quest for whatever else. So let's get into Chainsaw Man Season 1, Episode 4. In 3, 2, 1. Meowsers. No. Take on a bear one-on-one.
騙してすまんかった。ニャーコは助かったからな。胸は揉ませてやるわ。
I'll let you touch my boobs. Oh shit! What the fuck? Alright, here we go, Jim. Let's get into it.
殺す。じゃあ死にな。
Oh, Jesus.
嘘でしょ？女子犬ちゃんにコウモリは殺されちゃったの？もったいない顔だけど死んでちょうだい。
胸揉む前に死ねっかよ。
くだらない。低俗な欲望を持つやつに殺されたものね。
みんな偉い夢持ってていいな。じゃあ夢バトルしようぜ。夢バトル。俺がてめえをぶっ殺したらよ、てめえの夢胸揉むこといかな。
吠えててかわいいわ。おいのこと吠えろ。いいわ、私が止めてあげる。
いいぜ、俺に夢バトルで勝ったらな。
悪魔じゃ。
いただきます。
コン。
こいつは昼の悪魔だね。飲み込んでいい？
よし。猫は動物病院で健康状態の確認。
Correct. Good, good.
それをかばったお前も処分される。だが死者も出なかったし、お前が一つだけ条件を飲むなら今回は見逃してやる。俺の言うことは素直に聞くこと。お前はバカでガキで道徳がない。 俺はお前より先輩だし社会正義も持っているつもりだ。とりあえず敬語を覚えとけ。
おう、それも考えといてやるよ。昼飯何？
カレー。
やり。悪魔か？
おうおうおう、狭い家じゃのう。早川くんちの部屋一つパワーちゃんに貸してほしいの。君ならデンジ君とパワーちゃんのいい首輪になれるからね。
なんで俺の家にヤバいやつばかり集めるんですか？
私が早川くんを一番に信用しているからだよ。もうわしのじゃ。
おい、俺の最強だぞ。
はい。
ずっとこっちに住まわせるのも変だしね。野菜は嫌いじゃ。おい、
人参野菜を投げるな。
てめえ、野菜作った農家に失礼って思わねえのかよ。
Hey,
悪魔。
Drew.
トイレクソはたまにしか流さんはじゃ。
流せ。
くせえんだよ。
風呂はたまにしか入らんはじゃ。
入れ。
ちゃうなら人間は繊細じゃのう。なあにゃこ。
野菜も残すし。
おいウル。
あ、おいクソ悪魔、てめえのクソこびりついて取れねえんだよ。あ？
約束だったじゃろ。胸を揉ませてやるから揉め。ほれどうした、嬉しいじゃろ。揉め揉め。
What the fuck?
じゃが条件がある。胸を揉んでいい回数は
3 squeezes.
ヤーコを助けたのが1もみ、コウモリを殺したので2もみ、そしてちょんまげからわしをかばってくれたので3もみじゃ。胸を揉ませるのは嘘だったんじゃが、ウヌの頑張りに報いての3もみ、ありがたく揉むんじゃな。
天使。
Oh, we don't get to see it. That's so goofy. I love it though. I fucking love it, man. It's so stupid, but it's hilarious. Oh my. What a wild episode. What a weird episode. Denji got his ass kicked. And just wants to touch boobs. That's all I get. That's all. Like, it's just he fought that leech devil and got his ass kicked, and what's his name, Hazuka or whatever, Yuzukawa or whatever the fuck his name was, his roommate, saved him, of course. Or what the fuck was his name? Aki is his name, but pray for that man. Pray for that man. He's got to deal with Power and Denji. Denji, compared to Power, seems so much more just more regular. Besides the flushing the toilet, at least he understands how to get the toilet paper down in the toilet and flushed. Power though, but what I could see happening is she just makes him do all these tasks, whatever she needs him to, or Aki or whoever what she needs to do, and it's just gonna be a squeeze every time. He's gonna get a squeeze, and at some point he might get laid. No, it's so fucking hilarious. I love it. It's goofy. This show is gonna be fun. Still a good amount of episodes left, so hell yeah, man. Fuck yeah, it's gonna be a good time. Good time. Hope you guys enjoyed my reaction. If you did, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for daily videos every single day. Follow me on Twitter, Twitch, TikTok, and Instagram. And all the social medias down in the description below. And we'll catch you for another video. Goodbye!